Hello everyone, this is Krishna Anurag Mishra. I am a third year mechatronics student at KIT University. I am also the NSS assistant coordinator. I am an Oriya by origin. I am born and brought up in Bangalore, yet again in Bangalore for the pandemic. And being at home for so many months on the occasion of 26 Jan, firstly I would like to wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Today I would just want to go and interact with a few people out here and ask about how their pandemic has been, and so I just will go and interact. So I've just carried a couple of things for the safety of them as well as me. So this is a sanitizer, the keys and the masks. So let's go and see with how many people we can interact. I'll try interacting with them in the native language, and let's see how it goes.
Much later.
Hey there, I've just reached a shop here. This is a vegetable seller out here, and let's try and interact with them. Namaskar ma'am. ನಾವು ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಂದಿದ್ವಿ. ನಾವು NSS SME ಒಂದು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋದು. ನಾವು ಇದೇನು ಕೊರೋನಾ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಏನು ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ?
ಕೊರೋನಾ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಜನಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮುನ್ನೆಚ್ಚರಿಕೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ಒಂದು ಇದಾಯಿತು. ಮತ್ತು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಮಗೂ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಮತ್ತು ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಜನ ಬಂದು ಇದು ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇದು ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು.
ತುಂಬ ಲಾಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ?
ಅದು ಆಗಿದೆ.
ನೀವು ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈಗ ಆವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ.
ಇವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ?
ಈಗ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್. ಈಗ ಕಳ್ಸೋಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಭಯನೇ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೌದೌದು.
ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಆನ್ಲೈನಲ್ಲೇ ನಡೆಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಹೌದು. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ?
ಹಾಂ, ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏನೂ ಇದಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದೇ ಮಾಮೂಲಿ ಮಾಸ್ಕು, ಸ್ಯಾನಿಟೈಸು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೇಫ್.
ಆಯ್ತು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಂಟಿ, ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು.
A few minutes later.
So here there, just outside the apartment we have a barber shop out here, and he seems to be I've known him since long. Let's try to interact with him in Korea itself. Namaskar sir, तो ऐसे जैसा कि वो किसी वजह से कर रहे तो सारे ऐसे तो नहीं थोड़े प्रॉब्लम तो कोरोना टाइम पे तुम केमती कल तुम दुकान तो बंद थी केमी तुम कल कौन कल तुम किसी प्रॉब्लम होला
बोलना तो महामारी जैसे जो प्रोब्लेम होते हैं दुकान सब बंद और कोई खया हुआ
और घर तुम केमती करना वैसे पी तो
बहुत कस्टमर से
ଏବେ କେଉଁଠି ରୁହ? କେମିତି ରୁହ?
ଆକ୍ସିଡେଣ୍ଟ ହେଉଛି ବହୁତ ଭଲ ଅଛି।
ଆଚ୍ଛା,
ମହାମାରୀ ଟିକେ କମିଛି।
ଆଉ ଘର ସବୁ ଠିକ୍? ଆଉ ଦୋକାନ କେତେ ଦିନ ବନ୍ଦ ରହିବ? 4 ମାସ ପୁରା ବନ୍ଦ ରହିବ। ଏବେ ତ ସବୁ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି? ମାସ୍କ ନେଉଛନ୍ତି, ସାନିଟାଇଜର୍ ସବୁ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି?
Much later.
Fish vendor out here, and I've just come out just half a kilometer from my home, and let's talk to him about how the time he has faced in Korea.
One eternity later.
Okay, and we are back. Wow, what a day it was. I just realized, how long it has been since we spoke to new people out there, and I realized that, I don't really remember the native language that well I used to speak earlier. Maybe you would, be able to see in the video. There are I spoke to 4-5 people, and I spoke in 4 different languages. So this is India as a whole. We celebrate diversity. On this occasion, on 26 Jan, when we all unite to sing the national anthem, it gives us a belonging. It shows the unity in this diversity. It's so beautiful to, realize or have this feeling as a whole. Nevertheless, I would really like to thank the NSS SME community as a whole, as it has given me this platform to go out, talk to people, do something for the people. I would heartily like to thank my teacher Deepak Singhal sir, who has always guided me throughout my stay at NSS SME. I would also like to thank all my senior coordinators who have taught me a lot of things. The ease with what I speak now is maybe because of them. This is it. As a whole, NSS SME has tried a lot to keep in touch with all of us, and even during the pandemic, we have had our own mottos to be fulfilled or still stay in contact. We have multiple channels now. We are there on all the online platforms. Please do visit our Instagram and YouTube pages. There are a lot of content that we upload there, and thank you all. It was lovely being part of you and being able to share with you. Thank you so much.